Happy fucking birthday.
Birthday 3 days ago, Dad.
Happy fucking late birthday.
Thank you.
Great day of driving at the old pond that's in the middle of the track.
Friday 13th, camping in the woods.
Yeah,
Spooky fog.
it was Friday the 13th. That's impressive.
No machetes.
Yeah, there was no machetes. Nobody came out of the lake. Pond, sorry. Didn't want to offend anybody. Got to hang out with Kevin. He didn't get to drive because he's basically me on this side of the world. So that sucks.
It all happened after I moved out. That's
Yep.
all right.
Got some of them jujus rubbed off on him. And that was at night. Anyway, yeah, great day of driving at Mid-Pond. Thanks to the track owners and the guys that organized this for doing it. Other than the tire issue, we didn't have to work on the car, so it was great. Oh my God, that's
Blinded by
great.
light.
Fantastic.
That's Hollywood. Oh yeah, this guy's going with us too.
Headlight, old headlight over here is coming in with the wind. So we gotta hook the trailer back up. Now we can't see it. Gotta hook the trailer back up. Thanks, buddy. Oh man, that got way brighter. Ooh, y'all about to have a flashlight off?
My other one. My other one.
Dude, your hitch looks like a... Never mind.
Thank you. It's a Euro hitch. My hitch is, and now we're having a Euro dance party. So we're gonna get on the road. It's 4 hours to where we're going, which is Ben Hobson's house. He's one of the drivers on Drip Week. It's a vet, so I'm probably gonna get hit in his driveway. It's iffy, but I think we'll be okay. But yeah, so good day. Good day indeed. So we made it about 300 yards, and now we're at a gas station right down the street from Mid-Pond, and coilover's loose, and we think my axle nut's loose. So Blinky's coming over here with possible tools. We're trying to get the coilover tightened. I mean, some bugles and trying to get caffeinated for the drive. We're 4 hours away from where we need to be, and Scotty's in here raising the coilover. Sick. So we rolled into Florida last night late. We stayed at Ben Hobson's house, so thank you so much for having us. He cooked us some vegan food, and we ate like kings. Then we edited some stuff. I fell asleep, dropped the memory card in his couch, and had to rescue it with a pair of channel locks.
Yep. We got you hooked up, baby.
Last night when we were driving, the trailer was kind of feeling like every time we hit a bump, it felt like the car wanted to initiate with the trailer on. So we are at a play on words here, from A to Z. It's a French last name, from A to Z. Sick. And we are back on their alignment rack. We're gonna give her the old nut and bolter because the coilovers had both sides come completely loose, and now we are dipping one side further than the other. So we are gonna see where she's sitting. So I see you have a Radium shirt on. Grab some Radium goodies.
Yeah, thank you.
Your pen, a couple stickies. There's air pressure indicators, lanyard.
That's awesome, man.
Grab one of them there's. Yeah, buddy.
Awesome, man. Thank you very much.
Super.
Appreciate that.
We've all come to the conclusion that this is not our favorite alignment machine. We actually had to do 10 alignments because this doesn't do live caster, and we had to sweep it 10 times, minimum of 10 times to get it to work. But we think we're even.
I was wondering is this an Instagram video or YouTube?
YouTube.
It's Instagram video. It's like, make sure you tag Jay.
Yeah, we'll just show him that it's not just his machine, it's all of these pieces of garbage. We still appreciate him for letting us do this, of course. It's just, he doesn't like this machine either. Yeah. We're sitting outside of a AutoZone. Trenton is working on his junk. I think it's something with his power steering. There is a train park thing over there. So it's at least it's scenic. And we're still like 5 hours out from Freedom Factory, so making it happen. By the way, the bathroom of this AutoZone smells like my first 240SX, so that's kind of cool. So we got into Bradenton around 4 in the AMs and got yelled at by a squirrel all night long. It was great. We're now at the Freedom Factory, which is an 18-hour detour. They just had a big pay-per-view event last night here where somebody took that El Camino home. Don't really know who won, but now we're here, and I guess Hoonigan has designed some challenges for us, Burnyard style, and that's what we're going to be doing all day today. Then we're staying the night in Bradenton, and then it's off to our last stop on the tour of Pensacola, Florida, which again, 9 hours north, probably going to take more like 10 or 11. And we'll finish off this trip at the Clutch Kickers track. Super duper. So we just had our drivers meeting at Freedom Factory, and nobody knows what we're actually going to do because the guys that planned everything aren't awake yet. So this is the Freedom Factory. Got a rather large divot.
That's a little bit of a crater.
That's he wasn't joking about the crater, that's for sure. There's a General Lee just hanging out down there. It's just like being at any other track in Florida.
All we're missing is the swimming pool in the middle.
Yeah, I'm sure there's whoops through that middle section, just like Orlando.
I think there's little jumps coming off the bank going onto that concrete middle.
Oh yeah, I'm sure there is. So yeah, this is the track. We're gonna be split up into teams of 5, which Brandon determined
We can make this work.
ahead and in advance. I'm sure we can.
Well, we need redemption.
We do. As long as Aaron's not on our team, I think we'll be okay.
Yes.
I think.
Yes.
We will be okay.
Dan and I had a really good plan last time, and Aaron was busy not paying
didn't
attention.
go to what we planned about
And then he
at
kept
all.
making all these excuses why we didn't do a good job, but the excuse was that he didn't pay attention to our meeting.
And then he ran into everybody
like,
3 times.
We never had a plan. No.
Yeah, we
didn't have a
did.
plan.
You just were, you were schmoozing. He was
It's
schmoozing.
his job is to schmooze, but
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, Beam Team's already out there trying to get his run line dialed
They're
in.
polishing the concrete.
Yeah, that's weird. Seems unnecessary, but all right.
That and then the one I posted is you driving.
laps at Freedom Factory. Infield is super slippery, but that's to be expected. The bank is just like every other track in Florida and New Jersey, so that kind of felt at home. There's a lot of ruts and stuff to watch out for, so that's been interesting, but as long as you stay high, it's okay. I get about 30 seconds of runtime in before it's overheating and cutting out, so we're gonna have to string something together as a team and make something happen. So Denofa taking out the mullets car. I don't know whose that is, but it's about to get messed up.
Drift car, when it's sideways and you're on the brakes, it stops.
Oh yeah, I was stopping quick.
And I was not stopping quick.
It was a total surprise. I legit thought you were over there. If I knew you were close, I wouldn't.
So Chelsea was out there with the mullets car, and sucks because I had just turned off my camera when it happened. I was just like, stop, and then it was just like, pow. I missed it.
Oh, I was filming B and then I just got hit.
So,
by the way, I'm okay.
He T-boned him pretty good. Bobby's okay. That's what's important. But yeah, Chelsea just straight up tried to break into
I
him.
really hope someone got it. Hey,
It was such a slow wreck that I literally picked the spot to hit on your car.
I've got 2,500 miles to get this thing home. That's the exciting part.
Hoonigan's down there doing little driver introductions for this here competition we're about to have at Cleetus's track out here at the Freedom Factory. Basically, we split ourselves up into teams and we will be just doing kind of a team tandem thing, trying to impress Hoonigan and take home the gold here at Freedom Factory, because that'd be a huge honor. Cleetus hasn't had an event like this out here for anybody, so we're the first people to be kind of doing something like this. So it's super rad. Makes it well worth the 18 plus hours out of the way we came to do this. So that's pretty freaking cool. We have a little bit of a game plan. It's going to be me, Seth, Rudy, Brandon Wicknick, me, Seth, Rudy, Brandon Wicknick, Trenton. So there's going to be 5 of us. We have somewhat of a game plan. It could be either glorious or disastrous. We're going to find out very shortly. B team rolling deep. A lot of 6-cylinders, and then Rudy with a V8. They're doing their interviews for Hoonigan, and then we're up. Then we're gonna try to make some magic happen. We're gonna try something that's pretty difficult. Hopefully it works out. Otherwise it's gonna be disastrously glorious. So we'll see. We're gonna give it the old college try. We almost had a sick goddamn run. We timed that. It was insane that was the right timing, because we just guessed. We didn't get to practice that.
Fucking insane.
And then we all
Nobody
came in.
If you would have just linked up in the same spot, it
Oh,
been
dude, this happened.
You almost had it all.
Blew off the boost pipe on entry.
Sorry, man.
God
Yeah,
bless.
just your luck.
Yeah.
You know how to smile through bad times all the time.
God bless. Oh, hail.
Yeah.
Hey, buddy.
What up?
So yeah, we didn't win, obviously. I blew a boost pipe off on entry, solidifying our team in last place. We had the sickest plan, and it actually worked. We split up after doing tandems on the big bank on different levels, so we were inside and top, we were supposed to manji the straight. They were gonna split onto the skid pad, and then we met back up at the end, and I just wasn't drifting. I just autocrossed the whole run. So it's unfortunate, but that's part of being hit by that vet that just keeps taking me out over and over and over. Sorry, team. I let you down, B team. My bad. Look who's here. Man, I've missed you so much. Fuck. I was so happy to see you. God damn it.
Here I am.
Here you are.
Just fatter with longer hair now.
Here we are.
Here we are. Fatter with longer hair.
Fatter with longer hair. Thusly. Here we are, thusly.
Yeah.
Oh, man. So that's actually Taylor Ray. Twinsies. And Pat Gooden. Chilling. Thank you
Yeah, dude.
for having us out.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, that was
That was an awesome day.
an awesome day.
It was crazy seeing other people than my crew out there.
Yeah, doing weird shit.
Yeah, I mean, I was nervous, just letting people loose in the yard. Everyone did so good.
It was we came up with some interesting ideas of things to do. I unfortunately blew my boost pipe and ruined it for my whole team. But the way we timed it in our heads, and we were just like, I think we can make it work going from small oval to big oval at the same time. We came in, but
dude, it was awesome though. You guys have some real drivers, some real hardworking dudes, putting thousands of miles on the cars.
Oh my God!
No better than you guys. So next year we got to line it up even harder.
Let's do some craziness. I mean, I've already been through a motor and 2 transmissions, and we're still.
Dude. All right. Good luck, bro.
Thanks, buddy. Thanks for having us, man. We appreciate you. All right, man. So, unfortunately, a pretty short day here at the Freedom Factory. Cleetus was a wonderful host. Cleetus, I know you're not going to watch this, but if you're ever out in New Mexico, you always have a place to come drive. Yeah, thanks for having us out here. We had a good time. I only did a few laps. The boost hose kind of put a damper on the whole day, but we're gonna try to go bead roll that boost pipe and get it fixed at my buddy's shop in Tampa on the way tomorrow. And that's it. That's all she wrote. Closing it out for the Freedom Factory. Yo, man. You shredded.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, dude.
Appreciate
It was awesome to see you drive.
It was really cool. It's a lot of fun.
So sick to see other motorsports mingling with
Yeah.
the retarded stepchildren that are drifters.
Nah. No, it's cool. It's no pressure, lots of fun.
That's all we do. We just like to party.
Yeah, for sure.
But like I said, anytime you want to come out,
Hell yeah. I'm in. I'm gonna take you up on that.